Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the video is about the trendy YouTube thumbnails. So in our lives we all have spent half an hour on or minimum 20-25 minutes for creating a YouTube thumbnail, and the results are not like the professional Photoshop ones. So in this video I am going to help you how to create trendy and cool thumbnails using ChatGPT. So let's get started. So first of all, what we will do is we will Google search the inspiration of our thumbnail, like what kind of color scheme and what kind of design we want our thumbnail to look like. So basically, we are just are like the backbenchers, and we are trying to copy the final year project of our friend, and just copying pasting the files. So here are some designs that Google has showed me, and I will choose any one of them. So anything that looks cool, I will select it. So this thumbnail looks cool to me. I will download this, or you can also use snipping tool for a screenshot of that design. We just only need the design to upload in ChatGPT. So I am using snipping tool to get this thumbnail saved in my local PC. Then I will upload it in ChatGPT. Now my reference image is ready, so I will log into ChatGPT and will upload this reference image so that ChatGPT can analyze and provide me the output based on this input file. Now I will write a short prompt for ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for me, which should be very well aligned in center, justified in center, and it should follow the theme and the ratio that I need, that is 16:9. So I will provide all the details which I want from ChatGPT as an output. So that's it. You can use any prompt of your own, or you can copy mine also. Now this is the final prompt that I have sent to ChatGPT, and it is processing my image. It will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes for ChatGPT to provide me the photo. And yes, guys, see the magic. The ChatGPT has provided a cool and trendy thumbnail to me. It is very well aligned in center, the text is in center. It has also created ChatGPT logo on its own. I nowhere mentioned that a ChatGPT logo should be there. The background theme is similar to the one which I have provided to it as a reference. So you can use any reference, and the playground is yours. You can play with it, you can do whatever you want, you can do whatever design you want. So that's it, guys. That's the trick. And for any prompt, for any design, please feel free to comment in the comment box. I will surely help you guys out. Thank you for watching this video.